garden. It is neighborhood day, Saturday, August 4th. And I'm in the garden. Got Lavaco Field, got John, and mystery plants. Those are thorn apples of some sort. So this is the one that I'm curious about today. I've never seen it before. Got these kind of thorny appearances. I haven't dared touch it yet. Alright, we're doing that now. Don't know what it is. The leaves are very distinct. They remind me of something, but I don't remember what. And you can see at the end how it kind of looks sort of spiky. So there's that. And then here's a little, probably red sunflower. So what's going on? And then if you look in here, it's probably soybeans that I accidentally planted without reading or thinking about what soybeans look like. They don't really climb, but we'll see what happens. So right there. Okay, that's it for now.